Happy holidays, everybody! Andrew Papadopoulos, and you guys, a while ago, I told you I was going to do, my next YouTube video was going to be holiday cocktail. Look how cute that is. That is our really cute wine glass that is rimmed with peppermints, candy canes to be exact, from the dollar store. Blend it up. This one is a blend of, oh, these are so good, you guys. The Oreos from Trader Joe's. And I added a little bit of the peppermint into it, but they're the Peppermint Oreos. And there's so many variations you guys can do, and I cannot wait for you to tell me what you did. You'll know what I mean in a second after I explain everything to you. This is something that is just a really kind of cool, easy way to spruce up your party if you're hosting. You know, it's really cool. My mom always makes things so special. She makes things so fun. And so, you know, sometimes just the little small things that really bring a lot of love into the house, into the party. It's like, you know, this is so fun. I did champagne with a peppermint top. I did a rosé with a peppermint. This is a blend. I don't know if you can see it. This is, you can do eggnog. You could do a white Russian, a black Russian. So many things you can do. You can just do vanilla vodka on the rocks. Literally with this would be actually absolutely delicious with either one of these. Another really fun drink is Midori with peppermint schnapps. It sounds really weird, but it's so good. It's like a great little holiday cocktail, but I don't recommend a whole one. So you could do this with little small shot glasses at your party. That would be really fun. Also, literally just water, soda water. If no one's drinking, there's so many things you can do. Sangria. There's so many different things you can do. Something that would be really good that I didn't grab was like a white chocolate to blend into this. It'd be absolutely delicious. I tried to do the Trader Joe's pretzel with the chocolate and the peppermint, but when I crushed it, I blended it, it just looked like a pretzel. It wasn't very pretty, so I didn't use it. It might have been good. So this is how you do it. All right. You take your beautiful glass. It could be a champagne glass. It could be a martini glass, your tumbler, whatever you're doing, okay? This is an art, you guys, I'm telling you. I've learned all the secrets now, so I can show you how to do it very quickly. We're gonna do Trader Joe's Oreo peppermint cookies. Dollar store peppermint candy canes. But I'm just gonna show you the pretzel twist from Trader Joe's. I just blended up everything separately. So here you go. And they're candy canes. Voila. So these are the Oreos that are from Trader Joe's. They're the peppermint ones, are really tasty, but I added some of the peppermint into my mix, but honestly you can do it after, so you could keep it separate. So a couple things. When you blend your candy canes, the blender cannot be even a hint wet. You got it? Completely dry. Your hands have to be completely dry. I mean, I'm talking, if there's even a little drop of water, it will ruin it because they won't stick if they get wet. Trust me, and if they do, they'll end up looking like this. And they don't stick. And it's really annoying. Okay. Make sure you have a couple towels. One that's completely dry for your hands and one to wipe off the stickiness, like a wet towel. And then you're gonna need your simple syrup. Simple syrup. To take a little paper towel or a dish towel and dip it in it so I can control how thick I want. Let's just do it that way, actually. See? Because if you just place it in the little plate, you're just gonna get a thin rim, which is also cute, but these cups are too tall. I want it thick. Okay. Voila. And then, like I said, kind of go back and clean up the little drips. Okay. Now, hands clean. They're a little sticky, teeny bit, but you are going to just take this spoon. Do not try to do this with your hands. Don't try to dip it. Trust me, it doesn't work. See, look how good. And you're gonna, you know, it's gonna be a little bit messy, but that's okay. Look how fun that is. Voila. I mean, really, I really think you could do this with like any kind of candy. When just blend it up, whatever you feel like that goes with your drink. So I would love you to comment below, you guys, and tell me what was your favorite combination. Yeah, I mean, it's so easy. Champagne, Prosecco, Barbera d'Asti. I do like this rosé. It's a really reasonable rosé, the Gerard Bertrand Côte de Rose. It's a nice rosé that's reasonable. I think it's like $12.99 from Trader Joe's. You've crushed everything up. You're picking what you want to use. So I'm doing coffee with Bailey's. Take your candy, take a spoon, and you're literally just going to coat it like just like that. See, and it sticks. Trust me, there's no other way to do it. It's crazy. You thought you could just dip it, but you can't. And it's like, how does this even work? But so yeah, I'm just coating it, and then it's kind of drying as I'm turning the glass. And you totally can like just spoon it on in a big old heaping spoon, teaspoon, tablespoon, and pack it onto it. And just tap it into the simple, and then it will set and dry. That's what I recommend. See how you do that? So you literally, shoot, I'm running out of these. I didn't crush up enough. But you basically just pack it on and hit it with a spoon, and then just kind of let it dry for a second. Oops, I knocked some off. But anyways, so you do definitely have to do it probably one other time if you want a really thick rim, but I don't really. I just think it's so cute. I'm going to have my coffee with my Baileys, with my mama, because that's her favorite thing, and go home for Christmas. I wish you guys all the most amazing, amazing holiday. Thank you so much for watching, and to the most beautiful, blessed 2019.